Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that SLP has formed a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this long-term falling wedge, then we can expect a very long-term parabolic rally. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it is turning parabolic bullish, and during this bull run, it has also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Recently, on a daily time frame chart, SLP has formed this falling wedge pattern, and now you can see that the movement is quite squeezed inside this support and resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and it is also moving very close to this next long-term support of $0.00275 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Shiba Inu, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on here, you will watch here on 12th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of SLP, and this was the falling wedge pattern, this one. And this move was formed on a weekly time frame chart, and I've been telling you in so many previous videos that this is the multi-year space resistance, and once it will be able to break out this resistance, then we can expect a very massive and long-term rally. And now you can see that SLP has broken out this multi-year space resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. It was moving inside this wedge from the month of May 2021 up till the month of January 2023, and after the breakout, the price line moved slightly down but found a very firm support here at $0.0013, and you can see that for several weeks or months the price line has been testing the support and geared up. And when it was moving down at this support, at the same time you can see that stochastic was moving up and it was forming a slightly higher low than previous low. You can see that it formed this low here, and the next low it was forming slightly higher than the previous one. And at the same time, if we take a look at the price line, then you can see that it was forming this low here, and the next low it was forming lower than the previous one. So there was a very big bullish divergence on this chart, and the price line followed this bullish divergence. And so far, from this low to here, it has recovered more than 556%. And during this rally, the price line has also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now this previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud can work as a support. And you can see that this time, this weekly Ichimoku bearish cloud is also moving exactly at the same support where we have this long-term support of $0.00275. That was previously working as a resistance here, a support here, and resistance here. And now it can work as a support in case the price line moves down up till that support. Now on a daily time frame chart, you can see that it has formed another falling wedge pattern, and this is the bullish pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout from this wedge. In case of breaking down this falling wedge pattern, the target to the downside can be here at this next support of $0.00198. And in case of breaking out this wedge, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $0.00869. But in my point of view, after breaking out, it can also try to break out this long-term resistance of 1 cent as well. And now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between 41 to 42 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.